Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. My Alfa Romeo 166 V6 Turbo project has been coming along nicely. I'm pretty much done with the interior, and in today's video we're gonna check out just that. Now the difference is tremendous, and we're gonna check out the state interior was in when I got the car, and we're gonna see how much different it is today. Let's start with the seats. Now the original seats were cloth and they didn't really fit the car. So I got these black leather seats, which are in great condition and they fit perfectly. I'm gonna move on to the door panels. I've replaced these fake leather inserts which were all cracked up and damaged. I got these black ones which were in perfect condition, and I also restored the speaker covers. The one nice thing that I got for this Alfa are these floor mats with the Alfa Romeo logo. The steering wheel was also pretty damaged, so I've decided to repaint the leather. However, it's not one of my best works since the leather was pretty damaged. The main thing which required most of the effort was the center console and the rest of the plastic panels, which were covered in this rubberized paint. It looks horrible and it just collects dirt. One other thing which needed to be replaced were the gaiters for the gear stick and the handbrake. As I said, the center console was not the only problem. Now, as you can see, the glove box cover as well as the whole bottom of the dash was covered in this gray rubberized paint, so it all needed to be stripped down and repainted. I've decided to use the black color since the seats were black as well as the door panel inserts. Now, as you can see, I got this beautiful real leather gaiters for the gear stick and the handbrake, and I've also reupholstered the armrest with some fake black leather, and I've used extra padding for comfort. Now here is the center console in black. In my opinion, it came out looking great and it really fits the car nicely. As I said, this part of the job took the most effort, especially these side panels which are not removable. So I had to strip the paint inside the car, and I also had to repaint them like that. As you can see, these door panel inserts again look very good, as well as the glove box cover and pretty much rest of the plastic that I had to strip down and repaint. The seat replacement was also not simple, since these black seats were manual, so I had to use the electric mechanism from the old seats and mount them onto these ones. The center console looks even worse from the back. As people sit here, they hit it with their feet and they damage the paint. Even the vents were in poor condition. Here's how the back looks now. These leather seats again are in very good condition. The center console looks great, although a bit dirty. I've decided to also replace this lighter and these vents. Now the vents are from the Alfa Romeo 156. So there you go, that's pretty much it for the interior. There are a few other things that I need to do. The biggest one is the turbo refurbishment. I also gotta fix up these side skirts since they are damaged from the improper jacking. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.